You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Oh, you're looking at activity 3.2?
Yeah, it's the next one. It's a lab about hardness.
Oh, do you want to set that up?
Yeah, I want to get that taken care of soon. It looks like we need some supplies, though, like some pieces of metal.
You know, I think I might have seen those down in the 6th grade office.
Oh, okay, well, why don't we just head down there and get them?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
What are you guys looking for?
What do you need? We are doing a lab about hardness, and we need different strips of metal, and we were wondering if you guys have any.
Oh, wait, we did that last year.
Yeah, the kids 6th graders did that last
You
year.
did that last year?
Yeah.
We're supposed to do that this year. The students need to learn that hardness is a property so that we can identify substances by their hardness.
Oh, they should be experts at that by now.
Really?
Yeah, last year they took like one of the metals and they tried scratching the other one, and if it scratched it, A was harder than B if it could scratch B. So they should know all that stuff.
And then they had to rank all the metals in order.
From
Oh,
hardest
really?
to softest.
So they should know it.
That's
Yeah.
exactly the lab we needed them
Yeah.
to do.
They know it. They're experts.
Oh, they should get A pluses.
I wonder if we even need to do the lab now.
Maybe we don't need to teach this lesson at all.
Well, we're such great 6th grade science teachers that they should remember it from last year.
That's right.
Okay,
All right, then.
sounds good.
Hey, Mr. Fisher, can I ask you to go over that lab one more time with me? I want to make sure that they really are going to know stuff before I go skipping that.
Sure. All right, so first I'm going to take magnesium here and scratch zinc, and it does scratch the zinc. It does not scratch the iron, and it does not scratch copper. Hey, just like last year in 6th grade. Now I'm going to take the piece of copper and scratch the iron, and it does scratch the iron. It does scratch the zinc. And it does scratch the magnesium, so it scratches all of them.
So that means copper is the strongest, the hardest.
Now I'm going to take iron, and it does not scratch copper. It does scratch the zinc, and it does scratch magnesium. And zinc does not scratch the copper, does not scratch the iron or the magnesium.
So it's the
That
softest?
must be the softest.
So it seems that activity 3.2 in the book about hardness is merely review from last year. Let's take this minute to review what we've done so far this unit. First, we've defined what a property is. Properties are characteristics of substances that do not change. We've learned that different substances have different properties. And we've shown that properties can help you figure if two substances are the same or different. In this lesson, we see that hardness is a property. Hardness is a measure of a solid's resistance to scratching. We can test hardness by scratching one substance against another substance. Substance A left a scratch mark on substance B. Therefore, substance A is harder than substance B. This brings our current list of properties to include color, malleability, odor, solubility, melting point, and hardness. Some things we've talked about that are not properties are mass, volume, shape, or texture.